Science. 3. Reproduction in animals. 3. Reproduction in animals. In this chapter, you will learn about two types of reproduction. Animals that give birth to babies, animals looking after the babies, animals that lay eggs, life cycle of a butterfly, life cycle of a frog. Reproduction is one of the important features of living beings. This is the way they help their species survive for a long time on the earth. Reproduction is the process in which animals produce their young ones. The young ones of animals resemble their parents. They have the same parts as the parents. When they grow, they are the same size as the parents. We can classify animals into two groups on how they reproduce. 1. The animals that give birth to their young ones. 2. The animals that lay eggs, out of which a baby hatches. Animals that give birth to babies. Animals that give birth to young ones and suckle them are called mammals. Most mammals have hair on their body. Mammals have very well developed brains. Examples of mammals are dogs, cats, lions, elephants, deer, cows, buffaloes, hippopotamus, zebra, giraffe, monkeys, rabbits, etc. Human beings are also mammals. The smallest mammals is the shrew, with a body about 2 inches long. Though bats fly like birds, they are mammals. The aquatic mammals do not have hair. Looking after the babies. Just as the human parents look after their children, all other mammals look after their babies well. Most of them build houses to protect their babies from enemies. They also hunt for food. The mother feeds the babies, cleans them, and keeps them warm. As they grow, the mother teaches them to find food and live on their own. Did you know? Human beings are the only mammals who look after not only their children but their grandchildren too. Animals that lay eggs. Many animals reproduce by laying eggs. Animals like bird, fish, butterfly, cockroach, ant, grasshopper, turtle, and crocodile reproduce by laying eggs. The baby develops in the egg outside the mother's body. A jelly-like substance called albumen is present inside the egg. A yellow portion called yolk is present in the middle of the albumen. The yolk contains a developing baby called the embryo. The yolk is the food for the developing embryo. Albumen protects the embryo in the yolk. Birds. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. They lay eggs in nests and sit on them to keep them warm. This habit of some birds to keep their eggs warm is known as incubation. After some days, the egg breaks and a baby bird comes out. This is called hatching. The embryo inside the egg develops into a baby bird. After coming out of the egg, the baby bud grows into an adult. The stages of development from an embryo to an adult is called the life cycle of an animal. Insects. Insects also lay eggs. The young ones that hatch out from the eggs look different from adults. They undergo some changes before becoming an adult. This process is called metamorphosis. Insects like a butterfly and a cockroach undergo metamorphosis. Life cycle of a butterfly. A butterfly lays eggs on leaves. Inside each egg, a caterpillar begins to grow. These eggs hatch into tiny caterpillars or larvae. The caterpillar starts eating leaves and becomes bigger and fatter. After some days, it stops eating and finds a safe place to rest. Then it starts spinning a silk thread from a hole below its mouth. The caterpillar builds a cocoon around itself and goes to sleep. At this stage, it is called the pupa. The pupa stays in the cocoon for weeks. During this time, it sheds its skin many times and gives rise to a butterfly. This process of shedding skin is called molting. When the butterfly is fully developed, the cocoon splits open. Slowly, the butterfly crawls out, dries its wings, and flies away. The life cycle of a frog. A frog lays hundreds of eggs called spawns in water. A tadpole hatches out of the egg. The toad is very different from the adult frog. It has a tail but no legs. After a few weeks, legs of the tadpole grow. It starts losing its tail. Slowly, it begins to look like an adult. When fully grown, it comes out of the pond and starts living on damp land. Adult insects do not look after their babies. Some insects like grasshoppers and cockroaches have 3 stages in their life cycle. The baby insect which comes out of the egg is called a nymph. It resembles its parent. A molting process goes on many times. Then the nymph changes into an adult. Fish. Fish lay hundreds of eggs at one time. Some eggs and baby fish are eaten by the bigger fish. The fish that survive grows into adult fish. Reptiles. Reptiles like lizards, turtles, and snakes lay eggs in holes in the ground. After laying the eggs, some mothers go away and never come back. Many eggs are eaten up by other animals. The eggs that get heat from the sun hatch and baby animal comes out. Roundup. Animals need to reproduce so that their life on the earth goes on. Animals reproduce in 2 ways, by giving birth to babies or by laying eggs. The animals that give birth to their young ones and suckle them are called mammals. Some animals give more parental care to their young ones than the others do. Some birds lay eggs. An egg has a shell, a white protein jelly called the albumen, and a yolk. The yolk has a baby inside it. Butterflies go through 4 stages in their life cycle.